Top 7 Best Dashcam Under $100 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Car Driver Rove Patrol Touch Duo. A solid mid-range effort car and driver with an impressive array of features and an OLED touchscreen, a rare sight on dash cams in general, especially at this price. There's also a flexible camera setup and the ability to record crisp, clear footage in full HD resolution. Some of the features don't work as well as they could, and the camera itself feels rather flimsy. While the Patrol Touch Duo misses crucial features like GPS and Wi-Fi. Still, if you need a dual-view camera with solid video quality and all the staple dashcam features, this is worth your consideration. Number 6. THIEYE Safeel 0 Plus Dashcam. Wi-Fi and phone integration is something that modern dashcams must have, and that's exactly what the THIEYE Safeel 0 Plus Dashcam offers. But of course, we're still big on the quality of the dashcam itself, and we're not disappointed with what this brings to the table. First off, this dashcam is discreetly designed so you don't have a bulky gadget on your dash. It has dual cameras with full HD 1000A type and HD 720 type, with both cameras recording at 30 frames per second, and with 170 degrees wide angle lens. You get a clear 3-lane view without blind spots whatsoever. This dashcam doesn't hold back on features as well. It has loop recording, motion detection, G sensors, parking mode, night vision, and wide dynamic range to ensure that your videos are clear no matter the lighting conditions. Number 5. Apexcam Full HD 1080p Dashcam. For drivers who like a larger display, this is an ideal dashcam that has a 4-inch touchscreen. With this, the information on the screen will be more legible and the playback experience will be clearer as well. You'll see real-time display and replay functions, too. As such, you'll have everything you need at a glance. In terms of video quality, this product is equipped with all the necessary features a dashcam should have. It records footage in full HD, has night vision, WDR tech with 1.8 aperture, and a big LED light for a clearer picture in low light conditions. Number 4. AKASO Phone Wi-Fi Dashcam with GPS. This budget dashcam comes with the Sony IMX323 sensor, one of the superior sensors on the market. The quality of the image is improved by allowing more natural details and richer tone. But other than that, it boasts a great feature set as well. First off, it has a 170-degree field of vision that captures 3 to 4 lanes of traffic at 1296p. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi are useful features, too. Although not necessary, they make navigation much easier compared to other dashcams, which are only for surveillance. Another thing worth noting is the G sensor. Even when your car is parked, this dashcam will record 30 seconds of video and audio when any sort of external force is detected. In terms of storage, you have a lot of room because this dashcam can support up to 128 GB micro SD memory cards. The battery life is also pretty decent in our experience. What aids this is the screensaver mode, which displays only the date and time. Overall, this is a great dashcam for under $100. Number 3. Campark Dash Cam 4K UHD. With 4K Ultra HD video resolution, this budget dashcam can capture high-quality imaging no matter the weather or the time of day. It also has a wide aperture that gathers light better than others at this price point, ensuring that every picture or video you get is clear. Like most models, this one also has a parking mode. Even though the camera turns on and off with your car, it will start to record when it detects shocks or bumps nearby. That means if a collision occurs, the video footage will be recorded and locked in the dash camera. The loop video recording function will not erase these crucial clips. However, note that it only records 30 seconds of video and sound when movement is detected. As you can see, even if this dash cam is under $100, it comes with everything you need for the setup, including the windshield mount. Number 2. Apexcam Mini Dash Cam. Apexcam is another popular brand when it comes to dashcams, and this particular model is one of their cheapest dashcams under $100. However, it still provides a pretty decent performance with its full HD picture quality and super night recording. While it doesn't have the best video quality we've seen during night drives, the footage is still well lit. The sensitive motion detection feature and the parking monitor are useful functions as well. When your car is parked or left unattended, this dashcam will start recording when it detects suspicious activity. Additionally, there's a loop recording and G-sensor function that automatically overwrites old, existing footage with new files. As such, you don't have to go through the hassle of clearing up old videos. This dashcam has an easy setup as well. It only took us 2 minutes to get it up and running, and it automatically turns on every time you start your engine. Number 1. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K, as the name suggests, records footage in 4K Ultra HD. That means the videos have a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels. Unlike the usual 1080 quality you get even in mid-range models. It also features an ultra-low light sensor, which significantly illuminates details so you can still see them when it's dark. When we tested this dashcam at night, it did a pretty good job at brightening up the details, staying true to its night vision claims. It also has a 150-degree wide-angle lens, so your camera will catch anything crucial in case of accidents and other road situations. Even if this model is under $100, there's a built-in Wi-Fi function that allows you to sync it with your phone, regardless if it's iOS or Android. Using the compatible app, you can download all the high-resolution videos to your smartphone and even share it on social media if you like. It's also packed with other common features that dashcams have, including parking mode, motion detection, and G-sensor protection. And to keep everything updated, Rove offers free firmware upgrades as well. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best dashcam under $100 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.